Here we have the digital process chain for the powertrain. So we simulate the core shooting process for the sand cores. We need the sand cores for the water cooling system in the cylinder heads. So this is simulated and optimized in the whole simulation before the first hardware is coming. So also the cast process is simulated, the whole process there with the cooling down system and everything what belongs to that part. So the raw part getting a ready part for the machining part. So there's the simulation first. Also we have the tooling, we have the whole machining system that's simulated. All the time system belongs to that part. So the whole process is in a simulation and the whole program goes right into the machine for the machining part for the ready parts. Also the assembly of the engine is simulated, also the complete process with the right parts in the